Annapolis still has an inventory shortage, and homes listed over $1 million are more than double that of the affordably priced starter homes. It's Friday, February 3rd, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Inventory for sale fell again this past week to only 95, and only 12 of those are priced as starter homes. 10 new listings hit the market since my last report. 15 homes are coming soon. 13 went under contract. 6 moved to pending, and 21 sold in 26 days, falling to 97.6% from 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was in West Annapolis for $7 million. Rental inventory rose again this week to 36 homes for lease, down to $3,050 per month, holding at 31 days before lease. Is there a move in your 2023 plans? I can help, so let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, February 3rd, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.